Top 3 Best Metal Detector in 2020. Bounty Hunter 4 Taka's Tracker IV Metal Detector. Rugged metal detector ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. Motion all metal mode, discrimination mode, and two-tone audio mode. Larger objects up to 3 feet. Preset ground balance neutralizes response to mineral content in the ground. Disc notch control distinguishes between targets and unwanted metals. 6.7 kHz operating frequency. Rugged metal detector ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. Motion all metal mode, discrimination mode, and two-tone audio mode. Preset ground balance neutralizes response to mineral content in the ground. Disc notch control distinguishes between targets and unwanted metals. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Garrett Ace 200. Garrett Ace 200 metal detector with waterproof search coil and treasure sound headphone. Garrett Ace 200 metal detector with 6.5 by 9 inches waterproof coil, Garrett treasure sound headphones, instruction manual, batteries, and a 2-year warranty. New digital target ID 0 to 99 scale offers target information. New cam locks for increased stem stability. New includes pulse width modulation audio, sharper, more responsive audio. Lightweight with big performance at a small price. XP Deus. XP Deus Metal Detector Plus Wireless WS5 Full Headphones plus Controller and 11-inch coil. XP Deus Metal Detector with 11 inches x 35DD Waterproof Wireless Search Coil, Coil Cover. WS5 Wireless Full-Sized Headphones, Wireless Remote Control Display Screen, Hip Mount Case for Remote Control, and a 5-year parts and labor warranty. The XP Deus features audio response, iron level, multi-tone, notch. Discrimination, ground balance, motion and 4 non-motion modes, extended discrimination range, and 9 pre-configured factory programs. This detector is lightweight and compact, offering exceptional comfort, speed and performance. Total of 35 frequencies. 5 main frequencies with 7 wide offsets. 3.7 to 4.4 kHz, 7.1 to 8.4 kHz, 10.5 to 12.4 kHz, 15.2 to 17.8 kHz, 23.5 to 27.7 kHz. High frequencies 23 to 27.7 kHz, excellent sensitivity to low conductive targets and small targets.